Today, we're gonna show you how to use these two equipments, namely the breadboard and the digital multimeter.
A basic DMM works with energized and de-energized electrical circuits and measures direct current, DC voltage, alternating current, AC voltage, resistance, continuity, and diodes. Advanced models also measure capacitance, frequency, temperature, pressure, and vacuum. It's important to note that anytime you work with current and voltage, you need to use extreme caution. To avoid catastrophic consequences, safe practices must be followed whenever working with electricity. To measure DC volts using a multimeter, first, put the probes in their desired connection in the multimeter. Now, take your multimeter and set to measure the voltage. Then try it on the battery to measure the volt of it. Put the tip of the red probe to the positive polarity of the battery and the other probe to the negative polarity. Now, you will see the voltage of the battery. A breadboard, also known as protoboard, is a type of solderless electronic circuit building. You can build an electronic circuit on a breadboard without any soldering. Best of all, it is reusable. Building or prototyping circuits on a breadboard is also known as breadboarding. In this instructable, I will guide you how to use a modern breadboard to make simple circuits. Now, we're gonna learn how to practically use it. We will build some circuits and learn how our breadboard practically works. To create a simple breadboard circuit, insert the LED nearest to the top of the board. Next, insert the resistor into the board with one end in the same row as the LED and the other one a few rows to the side. Next, insert the jumper wires to the same row as the LED and resistor. Then last, connect the jumper wires to the battery. And now, we created a breadboard circuit. The DMM is a really great advancement in our generation. It's not just handy, but also digital. It really superseded the past kinds of multimeters like the analog meter. With DMM, you can easily measure or identify volts, currents, or resistance.
The breadboard we use represents a great step forward in convenience since they include not only sockets for plugging in components and connecting them together, but also power supplies, a function generator, switches, and logic displays.
As a whole, digital multimeter or DMMs are often referred to as the tape measure of the new millennium. DMMs consolidate the function of multiple instruments such as voltmeters, ammeters, and ohmmeters into one unit. And breadboards are referred as a simple circuit because it makes our life easier in terms of making electrical connection.